Some days just drag you down. The emails, the stress, the constant thinking, it piles up. It feels like you're caught in a storm with no end in sight. But here's the truth. You can't control everything, but you can control your mental state. You can hit the reset button for your mind right now, and I'm going to show you how. Let's start with a powerful technique called grounding. This is all about reconnecting with the present moment and pulling yourself out of the mental chaos. It's incredibly simple, but effective. Ready? Let's do it together. Start by noticing 5 things you can see around you. Really look at them. Now notice 4 things you can feel or touch. It could be the texture of your clothes or the solid ground beneath your feet. Next, listen for 3 things you can hear. Maybe it's the hum of a fan or birds outside. Then, identify 2 things you can smell. And finally, 1 thing you can taste. This simple exercise anchors you in the now and quiets the noise. Next up is the dopamine reset. Throughout the day, our brains chase these tiny hits of pleasure, checking notifications, grabbing a snack, endlessly scrolling. It's exhausting and leaves us feeling drained. A dopamine reset is about intentionally stepping back from that constant stimulation. Try doing something natural that truly refreshes your brain. Go for a short walk without your phone, do a few simple stretches, or just sit quietly for a few minutes and let your mind wander without any input. These small acts recalibrate your brain's reward system, helping you feel calmer and more centered. Finally, take a moment to reflect. This isn't about dwelling on what went wrong or beating yourself up over mistakes. It's about learning and releasing. Ask yourself 2 simple questions. What went well today? And what can I let go of? You can write your answers in a journal or even just say them out loud. This process creates mental closure. It helps you acknowledge your wins, release the day's burdens, and prepare your mind for a fresh start tomorrow. Remember, you can't control everything that happens to you, but you absolutely have the power to reset your mind. Ground yourself in the present, reset your dopamine with intentional breaks, and reflect to release the day. A tough day doesn't have to define your week. How you choose to recover is what truly matters. Try one of these tonight. Your mind will thank you for it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on living a more balanced life. Thanks for watching.